Hello everybody, this is a great example on how to trade low risk ideas in trends that come up in multiple time frames. Here we've got the example of two traders. One trader, Dave in Australia, Sydney, and the other trader, Andy in Frankfurt, Germany. Both are trading the same currency pair, Swiss yen, long, combining a strong currency, the Swiss, with a very weak currency, the yen. Both are trading different systems and both are trading different time frames, making a nice R profit. Well, let's have a look now how Andy is capitalizing on these strong trends. Swiss yen using system 1, the busted breakout on a 15-minute chart. So the pattern is on a 15-minute chart, and our higher time frames are the 60-minute to 40-minute daily, weekly and monthly chart. We can nicely see how this is a consolidation pattern. Well, let's have a look now at the higher time frames. Trending, 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 all breaking to a new high. Trending, trending. Well, these are the best and highest win rate trades. Well, when we are in such strong trending environment, well, that is a huge edge. We want to find an entry signal with a low risk idea, and this is exactly it. We've got a consolidation pattern that calms down the volatility, and then we're looking for a low risk entry. This is the entry, this is the stop. That's a breakout failure pattern. Let's have a look how that developed. Well, we can see how that's a stop run move, then it goes sideways and it just follows the trends. Andy decides to take a profit at the 4R level and call it a week because he has nicely hit the weekly target. Well, that is really well done and impressive indeed. Well, let's have a look at our Australian trader in Sydney, Dave. Now, Dave is around for quite some time already. He's trading Forex, futures and crypto, and this is his trade log. Again, Swiss yen long. He made an 8-hour result, so that means trading 1% on your capital and 11% profit on your account. I like really his comment. Another one trade week. Only wanting to take trades that are no-brainers, obvious to spot and high-quality setups. Trading from a cool, calm and curious state is working for me. The confident state gives me too much stimulus to take action. Well done. Trading from a place of faith, not fear. My goal is to get to 1.2R, then let go and let the universe deliver. Very nice. So much more enjoyable place to exist in and trade from. Well, you can read here that he is a happy trader, right? And happy trader deliver good results. Now let's have a look at this again. Swiss yen now applying the system 2 long, this time on a 5-minute chart. So this is the chart we have, 5-minute. We've got another consolidation pattern, but a multi-bar pattern as well. This is the entry, this is the stop. Well, let's have a look at the higher time frames. When this is the 5-minute, this is the 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, etc. Now this is trending, has broken to a new high. Trending, trending. It is trending, but what we have here, we have stop and levels. Now this adds a little bit a different edge into the game. We've got two stop run levels here, last highs, and we've got the highest high, which is another stop run level within a very nicely trending chart on the weekly. Well, let's have a look what happens with this trade. Entry, stop, and what happens when we reach these stop run levels, because they tend to produce stop run moves once they break, and that's what we see here. Price just goes vertical, we see an exhaustion move. Well, when we see an exhaustion move, we actually like to trail the stop, right, in order to get out with a nice profit. So this is the original trade idea, entry, stop. That's how what it did. It's nicely producing higher highs, higher lows, and trailing the stop. This is the stop out here with an 8-hour result. Very nice. Now he had some pyramid opportunities. That's what he writes here. Well, it's never a mistake not to take a trade, but he could have scaled in to this trade with another opportunity here and another opportunity here, making this even a bigger R result. Do you have to do this? No. We're more interested in our weekly and monthly target, and they've well overachieved it with this one trade for the week. So this is the power of the trends and trading low risk ideas.